The following video demonstrates how to properly clean your label and linerless label printer using a recommended KICK cleaning wipe pre-moistened with PrintMint. Regularly cleaning will improve your printer's performance and label print quality while helping prevent frustrating downtime and costly repairs that occur if your printer is left uncleaned. Before cleaning, be sure the printer is powered off and the label roll removed. Next, inspect all sensors inside the printer. If any buildup is present, gently wipe the sensor surface with the wipe to clean and restore. To avoid poor print quality, the thermal print head requires extra attention when cleaning. Using the wipe, gently apply light pressure to the print head and begin wiping back and forth until all buildup has been removed. After cleaning, the unique PrintMint solution will leave behind a thin protective barrier to help slow future buildup from occurring. Next, locate the printer's platen roller and begin wiping away any visible buildup. If your printer has more than one platen roller, be sure to clean all platen rollers with the wipe. In most cases, cleaning the platen roller is easier when removed from the printer. If the printer is equipped with a label cutter and the operator can access this area, use the cleaning wipe to remove any visible adhesive buildup on the cutter and cutter block surfaces. Keeping the cutter area free of adhesive buildup will prevent labels from jamming. With your printer now properly cleaned, reload the roll of labels and return your printer back to service. Regularly cleaning your label and linerless label printers with our cleaning wipes after every roll change is recommended to improve performance and reduce downtime and costly repairs. For more information on this product, or to learn more about the importance of cleaning your technology, visit KICK online today.